Hello there. I thought I would do a little festive eyeshadow look for you. I know it's a little late, but you could do this every day too. This can be an everyday look. It doesn't have to just be a holiday look. So the first color we're going to start with is number 33. It's a shimmer color, so it's got a little of that, see that in there, that kind of shimmeriness to it. It's a very pretty, like I want to say like it's like an ivy green color. So I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush, and on the smaller end, this is the smudgier end, I'm just going to take and just do a line like this. And if for some reason you have trouble getting the shimmery color to stay, you can certainly wet your brush with a setting spray or some water first, or you can use your finger if that works better. Sometimes with the the shimmery colors, doing a little bit of pressure, putting it on helps it. So let me just get that color on. Then we're gonna go take this color, it's called Stay Golden. I'm gonna use my fluffier end. I'm gonna I took all these out of my palette just so I could hold them up easier. Tap it off, and then I'm gonna start right here and just swirl that color from the outer corner across my lid into my crease and above the crease. Remember, especially if you have hooded eyes, you want to go above your crease with your makeup. If you keep it all in the crease, it's not gonna show up. Like if you open your eyes, if you close your eyes, put it all in the crease and open your eyes, it's all gonna be tucked in that crease. So remember to keep your eyes open and go above your crease. Now I'm taking my smudgier end again, and I'm just kind of, see where that green is really bold over there? I'm just like smudging it in a little bit, because you just kind of want it to carry and kind of just fade from that green into that nice like kind of tan color. And so we're just gonna blend. So just blend, 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 blend. Like I've always said, blend, blend some more, then blend some more. Like till you can't blend anymore. Just keep blending, and always blend up and over. Don't blend out. Try to keep your eyeshadow inside your outer corner so you're not bringing down your eye. Now I'm also gonna take that Stay Golden color, and I'm just gonna drag a little bit kind of as a base. We're gonna build up under the eye too, underneath my eye, okay? And I'm kind of dragging it just all the way in. It doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna take the multitasker brush, this little tiny end. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Stay Spray, okay? And then I'm gonna take this number 33 again, and I'm gonna tap in there. And we're just gonna use this color as our liner. So I'm just gonna tap it in there. Then I'm gonna go under my eye right here with it, just right along your lower lash line. You can kind of go bolder if you want, and you can go all the way into the corner. I'm not going all the way into the corner, but you certainly can, especially if you're doing like a nice evening look. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more, and we're gonna just line a little bit on the top lid right here. I think this is a very simple, easy look. It's very achievable for anyone. Don't be afraid of shimmer, even if you have mature skin. You can wear shimmer, even if you have mature skin. Just try to keep it like down here on the lower lid. So next thing, we're gonna go into this color called Blondie. I use this color a lot. I'm using the other end of my multitasker brush, and I'm gonna go the inner corner right to the middle. So we're gonna kind of have this gold running into the green color. This will be a nice like St. Patrick's Day look too, huh? This is such a pretty eye look for just, it's just every day. You don't have to just save it for the holiday. It can certainly be an everyday eye look. Simple, easy. Now, I also think too, a good idea of this look is you just wanna make sure you've brightened in your corners as well, your inner corners. So I use Unicorn a lot to brighten my inner corners. So just take a little bit of that and just tap, tap, tap right here in the corner. Just kind of give a little brightness to your look. Do that over here. I'm just gonna apply some maybe just a little bit right there. I don't recommend going like full on glitter and shimmer up there in your brow bone, but just a little bit up there just makes a nice little, like kind of, let's tap it out a little bit, but see? You see that shine like when you turn your head? That's what you want. You want to catch the light, catch an eye. That's how you do it. Okay, put on mascara. I'll be right back. Okay, mascara is on and it's done. This look is totally done. I think it looks really festive, really pretty, but also can be kind of unfestive too, right? Let me know if you have any questions or about these colors. Oh, what I was going to say too is if you want to take it up even another notch, you could use Graceland. This is a glitter color. You could just, if you have glitter glue made for makeup, not just glitter glue that's in your kids like project craft bin. There's specifically something made for eyeshadow to hold that glitter on. If you have something like that, or again, you could wet your brush, put this on and just dab some glitter all over. As a matter of fact, let's just do it. I mean, we're right here, right? Let's just add the glitter. Let me just clean off my multitasker brush and let's do it. Okay, so let me try it dry first and see how we do. This might stay on. I don't use these glitters that much, but they are, oh yeah, look at that. Can you see that? And you could even take it across the green just to give the green a little bit of a, oh, I like it. Like, I feel like the camera isn't even doing it justice. But I'm just gonna go all the way across my lid. Oh yeah, this was definitely a needed step. Okay, we're doing this. We're doing it. Okay. Okay. Let me just tap it over here too, so we're even. Yeah, and the camera, again, is not doing it justice. This turned out really good, and I didn't even really plan this part. I had it out because I thought I'd just show you, but hey, I like it. I like it a lot. Maybe it's too much for some people. Can never have too much bling. Okay, that is it for real now. We're all done. Ready to hit the party circuit or just go out shopping. You can rock this when you go out just to shop or to a luncheon or to whatever it is you're going to do. Do it.